everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachel Amma and this week I wanted to take you guys through what I eat in a day as a vegan. I'm out and about today, so I thought this was a good time to take you guys with me, see the food that I get through in a day when I'm out and about and I'm not in the comfort of cooking in my own kitchen. And also what's really exciting is I'm working with Vice and Munchies today. They've asked me to share a vegan mac and cheese recipe, so I'm gonna bring you guys with me, a bit of behind the scenes, take you through a day of eating as a vegan, hopefully some really banging recipes and a good fun day ahead. First things first, breakfast, broco tea first. Standard, very standard, essential, go-to breakfast I'm gonna share with you guys. It does it for me every time. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are excited to see what I get up to today and the recipes I'm gonna share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm here every week with new videos. And if you haven't already seen, I have a new vegan cookbook that is available to pre-order. I'm gonna leave all the details down below so you guys can start cooking more and more of my recipes. But for now, let's get into what I eat in a day as a vegan. I'm starting my day with oats. Oats are amazing, they're a slow burning carb. They've got nice nutrients in there. It's such a great way to start the day. Because it's winter, oats to me is porridge. So I've got half a cup of oats and a cup of oat milk and some maple syrup to make it a little bit sweet to satisfy my sweet tooth. Mix it all together. I like it nice and loose and runny. And then I'm just gonna pour it in a bowl, nice hot porridge. Then to that, you guys know I love chia seeds. I always add chia seeds after I've heated it. So I've got about a tablespoon and I'm gonna mix that in. And also this is gonna start absorbing all the liquid. So I do like to have more liquid to kind of wait for the chia seeds to come in and soak it all up and expand. Then for my antioxidants, I've got loads of frozen berries, a bit of maple syrup, and I'm just gonna heat that up. Now to be extra nutritious, I've got some acai berry powder, and this is just gonna be even more antioxidants and more nutrients into my berries. So I'm just gonna turn off the heat and add in some acai powder and just mix it in until it's combined, and that's all I do. Because berries are quite bitter, that's why I like to add a little bit of maple syrup, but you don't have to, it's just me and my sweet tooth. Then I'm gonna add in my berries, and I've got some homemade granola, which I'm gonna add. Some banana because I love banana, and then finally some hemp seeds because I have them. They are nutritious and they're great to eat. And that is my simple, essential, delicious winter breakfast that I pretty much have nearly every day because it really does fill me up and give me a good start to the day. Cool, so now I've got to get my ingredients for filming with Vice. We're making mac and cheese. So I've got to get my macaroni pasta, cashew nuts, some miso paste. You can get soy-free miso paste, but they just didn't have any. Then I've got some onions, garlic, lots and lots of garlic. Y'all know how I feel about garlic. Picked up some broccoli. Now I'm on my way to film with Vice. So boom, we're back. And I got completely obsessed with these Sainsbury's vegan sausages because they are soy-free. I wanted to try them and the texture, it was the most, I don't really have vegan sausages because they've never been that amazing and a lot of them are made out of soy. And I had these and I was literally like, wow, this tastes amazing. It was just like that nostalgic remembrance of having a sausage but without actually eating animals. So today I'm gonna make like a tomatoey chickpea vegan sausage casserole. I don't know if I want to make it a whole shebang and add potatoes into it or do like a jacket potato on the side. I want something hearty, and that is what's calling my name right now. So I'm just gonna share the recipe with you guys. So these are the sausages from Sainsbury's, the vegan sausages that I am completely obsessed with. They're so nice and there's no soy in them, which is amazing for me. So I'm just gonna cook them. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start making my stew. So I'm just gonna finely slice some onions. I'm using 2 onions. And I'm gonna saute those in the pan to get them nice and brown and cook them down. Seasoning with a bit of salt and black pepper, as well as some dried oregano and dried parsley. And I'm just gonna mix that together and give it a really nice saute. Then I'm adding in a bunch of garlic, there's probably 4 cloves there, and some Spanish paprika, and I'm just gonna mix that in. A really simple base for the final stew. Once the onions have browned up and the garlic has cooked down, it's time to add in the tomatoes. And I've got plum tomatoes here. You could use chopped tomatoes, whatever you have in the house, and give that a good mix together. Really simple, basic ingredients. Then I'm gonna add in some chickpeas. These chickpeas are already cooked, so really easy just to mix into any stews. I'm gonna bring the heat up, and then I'm gonna add in 200 milliliters of vegetable stock. Meanwhile, my sausages are cooked and ready. They look pretty much like the real thing, which is crazy. And the texture is really, really great. I really do love it. So for some nutrients, I've got some spinach, which I'm just gonna add right at the end. So I'm gonna turn the heat off and mix in some spinach that I've roughly chopped, just so that I don't eat long strands of spinach, and I've got like little pieces, if that makes sense. Then I'm gonna squeeze in half a fresh lemon. This really just helps to bring out the flavors. And I'm gonna chop up, or roughly chop up, my vegan sausages. And I got a question last time about the skin. The skin on these sausages are edible. They're not ones that you have to remove for anyone out there. And I'm just gonna mix them in, and I've got some fresh parsley. I'm just gonna garnish that on top. And this is the final sausage chickpea stew, casserole. And it is so, so simple and hearty and flavorful. To go with it, I put a potato in the oven and baked it. So we've got a nice crispy jacket potato. Just gonna pop that open, and then on the plate, I added some broccoli, added some salt and pepper to my jacket potato, added some fresh parsley on top of my casserole dish, my stew, and this was just such a hearty, delicious meal. I was so happy. When you don't plan them and it comes together beautifully, I love it. Yeah, I need to go disappear and eat this and enjoy this. Oh yum, who doesn't love a jacket potato? A good jacket potato. I'm gonna go and eat that, enjoy that while it's still hot. I'm gonna leave the recipe for you guys to try it. Such a simple go-to recipe, and it's genuinely really, really, really tasty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today and the recipes. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'm here every Sunday with new videos to share with you guys. Also, my vegan cookbook, the announcement, if you saw in the previous video I put up, my vegan cookbook is ready for pre-order. If you pre-order it now, you're gonna get an ebook with 7 recipes ahead of the actual launch date, because I wanted to give you stuff as soon as I could. I'll leave all the instructions on how to get my book and my ebook down below in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for everyone who's been sending me such lovely, amazing messages. It has meant the world to me, so thank you so much. Honestly, thank you. And I will see you all here next week. Bye.